This is Pavas Mehra, and we are here at Pareto Securities annual healthcare conference in Stockholm. With me I have Carl-Johan Dalsgaard, CEO of Vicore Pharma. Welcome, Johan.
Thank you very much.
Could you please tell us a little bit more about Vicore Pharma and the drugs that you are working on currently?
Vicore Pharma is a rare disease company focusing on fibrotic lung disease. And we have two programs. One is a orally given antifibrotic, anti-inflammatory drug called C21. The other one is a directly given IMiD that will reduce the cough symptom, which is a debilitating symptom in these diseases.
And you have so two of the drugs. One is called EPO1 and one is VTO2. Could you give us some context on those? What are they focusing on?
EPO1 is a small molecule that is binding and activating a receptor called angiotensin type 2 receptor, which means that it will prevent and reduce inflammation and fibrosis, and it will also open up the small vessels in the tissues to increase blood flow in tissues. All good for treating these diseases.
And these are both phase 1 drugs currently, is that correct?
The VP01 has just right now completed the phase 1, and we will report that within short, and we're ready to shoot off in two phase 2 trials, one in IPF, idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, and one in systemic sclerosis, which will be more a mechanistic study, so it's not a treatment study in that disease.
All right. So if we look out of an investor perspective looking forward, are there like any news flow or any potential triggers that the investors can be on the lookout for? You have a change of listing, I think, from Nasdaq First North to the primary main market.
Yep. So that is one thing. Also the report of the phase 1 study that we have just behind us, and we're just collecting all the data, I think will contain a lot of interesting positive news around the molecule. We will start and apply for the phase 2 studies, and we also have the other program that is in its formulation phase, so there will also be opportunities for good news, and of course the uplisting is going to be during this fall as well.
All right. And the readouts that you're discussing and the applications going forward, are they all scheduled for second half of 2019?
The ones that we have that I talked about is, yes, scheduled for second half of 2019. Then of course the readout of those trials will come 2021.
All right. Thank you for being here today, and we're really looking forward to following Vicore ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much.